Activity 1A0101 Part 2. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mohsin. So today we will work on two things. One is pronouns and the second is auxiliary verb. At the end, we will make small sentences using the pronoun, noun, and auxiliary verb. So in the previous activity, we have learned few nouns, and at the end, we will use these noun and pronoun and auxiliary verb together. So first noun is मैं, 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 मैं means I. मैं, मैं, हम, 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 we, हम, आप, 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 you, आप, आप is polite, आप, आप, तुम, 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 you, तुम, impolite, आप, polite, तुम, impolite. And the fifth one is आप. Again, आप we use for singular and plural as well. Up, up, up. So we use for singular and plural, most commonly used for all, indicate respect, may be used about a third person for respect. Up, up, wo, wo, wo we use for third person singular. Wo, he, she, it, wo. And here wo also we use for plural, for third person plural, wo. You can say they, wo, wo. In this blank block, we can learn one more pronoun, tu, 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 which is impolite, but to we can use for God and very intimate friends and relationship and young children. So to it's also you. To 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 pronoun we use for God, for very close friend, and if we use to for respected people, for elders, so then to is impolite, and so to we use for God, um, and for very close friend, to. So now we will see which pronouns uh, we use auxiliary verb. So we use auxiliary verb with मैं we use हूँ, हूँ, मैं हूँ. मैं हूँ, मैं हूँ, आई एम, मैं हूँ, मैं हूँ। हम, we use with हम auxiliary verb we use हैं, हैं. It is nasalized and हैं. आप, polite pronoun आप. For आप we use हैं, हैं, हैं. Nasalized at the end हैं. तुम, तुम we use for singular and for plural. Uh, and तुम, for तुम we use auxiliary verb हो, हो, हो. आप for plural and polite we use हैं. Same auxiliary verb which we use um, for singular. वो, वो singular for third person. वो, he, she, it. We for it we use auxiliary verb है, है, है. Not nasalize है. वो for plural we use auxiliary verb हैं, हैं. This is nasalized हैं. And तू, pronoun for तू we use है, है. And it is also not nasalized है, है. So let's work on it for making sentences, and let me write here. मैं, मैं, मैं. I, मैं. हम, हम. We, आप, आप. Polite pronoun. You, आप, 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 आप. And then we learn the fourth pronoun tum, which is you, tum, and this is impolite. And the fifth we have learned again आप, but this one is uh, plural, plural polite pronoun, plural. And this sixth pronoun we have learned uh, वो, वो, singular, वो. We use for he, she, and for it. And this is singular. This seventh one we have learned वो, वो, but this one is for plural. They, they. Okay. So in our first activity, which I have, I will add the link of the previous activity in which we have learned the noun. So this time we have learned the pronoun. So I will make few small sentences if you want to see what pronoun nouns which we have learned. So then you can make sentences with me. So मैं आदमी हूँ, मैं आदमी हूँ. So मैं हूँ is am, आदमी man. मैं आदमी हूँ. The second pronoun हम आदमी हैं. हम आदमी हैं. We are men. Then the third pronoun we have learned आप. आप औरत हैं. आप is a polite pronoun. आप you आप औरत हैं. You are a woman. The fourth one is तुम. तुम लड़की हो. तुम is impolite pronoun you. You are a girl. The fifth one we have learned the pronoun is आप for plural. आप um, आप आदमी हैं. You are men. The sixth one is वो third person singular. वो लड़का लड़का वो लड़का है. नोट है. वो लड़का है. So singular for plural or polite we use the nasalized auxiliary verb हैं. But for singular or third person singular we use है. Not it's not nasalized. वो लड़का है. He is a boy. And for seventh we can say we have learned वो for plural. वो हम्म, वो लड़कियां लड़कियां हैं. They are girls. And the eighth one, which pronoun we have learned to, it is which show the closeness, and this two pronoun we use for God and for very close friend to खुदा खुदा है. You are God. So, in this activity, we have learned pronouns and the auxiliary verb, which we use for the pronoun मैं हूँ, हम हैं, आप हैं, तुम हो. आप polite pronoun, and for plural आप हैं, वो है, वो for plural हैं, तू है. And the this here, these noun which I used here, I I recorded in my previous video. So if you want to learn about these noun, so you can see my first recording. So I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.